This is Heidi Castle here again, WordPress 101 for Boomers. And what we just recently did is we went in and we upgraded our Weaver theme to the newest version, which was cool, and everything looks the same, except at the very bottom of the site, we are missing the links. You can't even quite see them here. It's not quite scrolling down enough. But at the very bottom with some links, it's going like to the disclaimer page and things like that. And when we upgraded the links, they're no longer showing. Let me show you here on the one that we had saved before that. See, you can just barely see them here, but they're down here. You can see the links, email policy, um, terms of use, and a lot of these things are things that you will need to have on here if you're using AdSense affiliate links. A lot of them want, would like some of the legalese down at the bottom of your site. And so I went ahead to check and see why these are now missing. Everything else looks the same. Everything looks good. It was an easy move. I went over to the plugin that created these policy pages, WP Policy. And as I looked in there, I just went into settings and I clicked on the WP policies. And right up here at the very top, it says for these links to display, you need to have this piece of code right here in your footer PHP file. And when you add a little bit of content or anything, just a line of code to your theme to customize that theme, when the theme is upgraded, that code that you added in there to customize it is no longer there, and you have to add it back. So it wouldn't even hurt if you made yourself a little note that you saved on your computer, a note of changes that you may have made to the older theme, so that when you are upgrading it, you can go back and look, okay, is this still here? Is this still here? And you can make sure to add those back in there. And this is the only thing here I needed to add, so let me go ahead and add that to the footer page. To get to the footer PHP to edit it, you go under Appearance, and then you click on Editor. And you check and make sure you got the we got the Weaver theme there, which is the one that we're working on. And then I go on down here, and it's usually in alphabetical order. And I'm going to click on the footer PHP page, and we're going to scroll on down here some. I want you to add code here, and like I said, you want to make sure when you add something, it's not between these less than, greater than signs. These always surrounding a piece of code, and you want to have it someplace else. Here's putting the Weaver in the post footer. Just before the body tag might be a good place to put it. I don't remember exactly where I had it before. That would be a good thing to put in your note as to where you put these things in. Let me update the file. Okay, I updated the file. I refreshed the page, and now my links are back there again. It was a simple change, simple thing to put on there. It is a good reminder that if you make your own edits to a theme, that you need to keep track of what those custom edits were, because when you upgrade the theme, you quite likely will need to go back in and put those back there. Anyway, have fun. You can update your themes. It does work. Just use some caution, some care, and it'll work out. Heidi Caswell, WordPress 101 for Boomers.